Hi everyone, just got back from the auction today. Just finished these grinding stands for my mate Buddha. Put a couple of grinders on, and I've been a little bit busy the last few days because I've been really crook. Big lung infection nearly fucking killed me. So I'll show you what else I've done today. I finished off my my water cooling system for my drill press. Works good. There we go. There it comes up. Works really well. Takes a little bit to get the air out of the tube. Here we go. Yeah, I've got it turned down a little bit. Yeah, there. That's plenty of coolant for a drill press. Quiet as a mouse. Don't hear nothing. Runs really well. So this is just a little short video. Still haven't done that yet, but I'll get to it. So I'm going to call this quits for this little video. I'm going to put this up later on tonight along with the one of the little auction I went to. I was only there for a little bit. I didn't take much video. Wasn't much there, so all right then. You know, like, thumbs up, subscribe, or anything else you want to do. Okay then. See you all later. Bye.